Diagwit YouTube, comes the talk to. I thought I'd make this video to update people. So I just put my last hiking video up. We did try to summit Tonlagee. It didn't work because we had left it too late, and you know, the amount of time it took us to get there, the cloud had settled in, it was getting cold, the wind was already pretty strong, so I knew it'd be worse up there. So we decided to enact Plan B, and we went up to the foot of Tonlagee, up to the nearest spot height, and then straight down past Loch Dangan, I think it's called. I'll put it there when I get the name. So that's that. It took about 3.5 hours to do in total. It was about 9k the distance, plus about a k of height gain. I don't really factor in coming down because it takes less time to come down than it does to go up naturally. But that's that. So we had 21 of us on the hike, which was pretty good turnout. So I know we have at least 6. We have 6 including myself who want to do the mountain skills. So I'm going to do a little nap reading and theory session tomorrow for them, and we'll plan a hike for next weekend for us. And that will hopefully get us ready to do our mountain skills training on the 3rd and 4th of February. So fingers crossed, touch wood, all that jazz. So that's that. So I'm not sure what I want to do with this channel. I'm uploading a lot of activities. I have my bouldering video, the 2 hikes that I've done so far. I plan on doing a video of climbing in Trinity, and I hope to get out to Dalkey at some stage. I've got kayaking coming up on Saturday, I have horse riding on Sunday. That's why I'm not doing another hike, which frankly my legs aren't going to argue with. But so yeah, I don't know, maybe I will make it more of an activity channel. If you want to see any specific activities, if you like kayaking or rock climbing or swimming or anything like that, I'll make a video, because it's all stuff that I want to do and stuff that I like to do. So, but the flip side of that is the vlogs are going pretty well, I think. I hope you're enjoying them. If you are, tell me below, click the like button, click the subscribe button. So just tell me what you think. So I'll do a couple of vlogs. I want to do a Q&A. So if you want to ask me any questions, I'll put my Twitter link down below, and you can ask me there, or you can ask me here. So post them below as well. What else? Yeah, so I've got kayaking on Saturday, horse riding on Sunday, which is going to be great fun. I still have a voucher to do ice skating. I might do that at some stage. I must do it before the end of the month, before the voucher expires. What else? I'm trying to keep my workout routine going. It's not going very well, because when I actually do get the time to do it, I end up not having the bloody energy to do it. So yeah, so my target's really I set daily targets to do 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 planches, or not planches, what are they called? Planks. Hold the plank for a little while, but I kind of work that into my press-ups. V-ups, crunches, tricep dips, all that jazz. I'm just trying to work it in as best I can around my schedule. So balance, that's what you need. I still have clubs on Monday. I've kind of set Wednesday as my climbing. I'll do an hour or 2 climbing in Trinity on Wednesday, trying to get out to Gravity as much as I can. If you like my last Gravity video, let me know, I'll make another one, because I love that place. It's really good fun. Highly recommend going to it. If anyone wants directions or wants to know where it is, I'll put a link to Gravity below. That's that. In other news, I finally used the gift voucher my uncle gave me for Christmas. I bought the set of Hunger Games books. So I look forward to reading these. I know the movie is coming out, but it'll probably be on mini Blu-ray hologram disc by the time I read those books. I'm not a great reader, but it just, like that, it's factoring in time to actually sit down and read. I have a lot of free time, but I end up having to do other stuff, like tidy my room, go shopping, cook. Everything your average person does. So I read a lot when I'm on public transport. But buses and trains, I just end up sitting there trying to tune it. Usually if it's quiet, if people are talking too much, I can't focus enough on reading, so I'll end up slipping in my MP3 player. But if it's quiet enough, I'll just sit there and read for however long it takes me to get from A to B. But I'm almost finished the book that I'm reading at the moment. It's called Surfing in Silence. It's the story of Colonel Margareta Camemar and her battle with the don't ask, don't tell policy in the late 80s, early 90s. So it's well worth a read if anyone wants to know about kind of the back history and how it actually affected people. That's something to read. They also did a pretty good film of it called Surfing in Silence, starring Glenn Close. If I can find a link, I'll put it below. If not, I'm sure you'll be able to Google it somehow. Somewhere. So that's that. I don't know what else I'm really going to be doing. I have to get my diary sorted. I know I'm busy this weekend. I'll probably be busy next weekend with hike or my man skills. I think I'll do another hike. I have time to do another hike before then, just checking my calendar. Yeah, I have time to squeeze in another hike before we do our mountain skills training, so I'll try and get the 6 of us out, and we'll do a hike with bearings and navigation and pacing, etc, stuff we need to know for Man Skills 1, just to get us used to thinking about it. The Man Skills 1 that we're doing is just the training, so it's training us to use our compasses, pacing, routes, how to read the maps, how to use a compass, etc. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm rambling on now. This is the second time making this video, so just bear with me. I don't think there's anything else I want to do, so I'll do it my calendar. I'll try and keep my workout routine sorted. Oh! New Year's resolutions. I'm kind of just going to, rather than set targets for the whole year, I'm going to do a week by week progression. So next week, as well as doing my rock climbing and gravity and the hikes and scouts, I'm going to try and fit in scouting and filming for a parkour video. I've been practicing parkour for 6 years, on and off, and I just want to do it more for me, to see where I'm at, and then showcase the different locations that we have in Dublin that I train regularly. So hopefully I'll rope in some of my friends for that, and my sister to do the video and try and edit it. I'll have it up before the end of next month. So, but hopefully I'll get it up before the end of this month. So that's what I'll do. Next week I'm going to scout Dublin and film bits of parkour here and there and put it together into a good video. If you like the sounds of that, and if you want to get involved, please post below, just let me know. I know some of my parkour friends are watching this, some of you might not be, that's fine. So thanks very much for watching this, I hope it hasn't dragged on too long. Gravity Bouldering, agat, slán fóill.
Sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. Since you came along, you sexy thing. Where did you come from, baby? How did you know I needed you? I needed you so badly. How did you know I'd give my heart?